Look at this shot. It's like a fucking blizzard. Look, my hands are not wet. Cold's not wet. But it's like a blizzard. It's the chemicals that are in this fucking shit right now. This is HAARP at its best. Chemtrails. Look at this. How is this possible? It's like a freaking blizzard. I'm gonna send this in, share it around. Let me see what kind of buzz I get back from it. I have to look it up to see if there's ever been a recording of that. Clouds, fog, manifesting itself like a blizzard, like a snow blizzard. Look at this. What is this shit that's so heavy that it can be seen like this? What's in it? When I need a good scientist. All right, guys. Let's see if I can send this. One.